Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I'm working on two 4x12 canvases, and I'm going to try a technique that I saw by designer Gemma 77, and she uses a ball chain to do a string pull, and hers is just absolutely lovely. And so I wanted to try it, and so I'm going to do it on these two and do a Diptych, and I'm using Artist Loft Acrylic White as my base, and then my colors will be Artist Loft Cerelon Blue, Liquitex Phalo Green, Liquitex Dioxinne Purple, and Liquitex Rose. So I've already got my base coats on the canvases, and instead of dipping the chain into the paint, she actually puts the paint in a little stream onto the canvas, and then she layers them right beside each other and then draws the chain through the colors on the canvas. So that's what I'm going to try and see how it works. And these colors may be a little bit light, but the purple will add a little bit more depth to it. And here we go. She pulls pretty slow, and I know that's not very clear for you to see it, but the imprint of the chain itself leaves just absolutely gorgeous lines on this. So I'm going to be sure to put her link in the card above, so you'll be able to watch how she creates hers. It's so very, very pretty. I love the string pull anyway, and they're so unique. And with this ball chain, it really gives it a whole new look, and I really like it. Just going to keep layering this all the way down the canvas, and then I'll do the other side as well. And I won't make you watch me do each and every one of these, but they are pretty. And I will do close-ups at the end so that you'll be able to see how it looks. Now I'm going in with some of the phthalo green and just pulling some leaves. Not making them very big or very wide. I just kind of want to have that little bit of representation there. And this one I pulled the wrong direction, so I'm going to redo it. And now I've moved on to the second canvas. And this is just so relaxing to me. So very pretty. And I'm using the little pipette to take out if I have too much paint on any one of them, and just take out the extra and suction it off of there. And that way it won't leave any places where it's too thick and the paint might crack. And we're going to do a little bit of the phthalo on this one. Get some leaves going. And then we'll let them dry for a little bit. And then I will show you what they look like. almost finished. Gonna add a few more leaves with the phalo green. One more right here. And there. Apply a little bit of torch. And this is what they look like when they're dry. I love that design from the chain pull. I haven't decided if I want to use resin or varnish on these yet. Either one I think will be a compliment. Here's a close-up so you can really get an idea of what that ball chain does. I really like that. So I want to thank y'all for watching today, and you'll never know what it means to me to have people view and like and share and leave me comments, and I read every comment and try to answer every single one of them. You help me grow, and I so appreciate it. And I want to thank you for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. And I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.